Good day, baby. Let's go. Day two or three or whatever. I don't remember how many days we've been here, but this is part two. We're on our way to the track again. We ended the last video with Uncle John handing us the keys. Well, not handing us the keys because he's not here, but telling us, giving us permission that we can take this car. So that's what we're doing, and now we're headed to the track to see what we have planned today for the RS3 and with Adam and all of them. So let's get it. Here we are, the Las Vegas Motor Speedway. The famous tunnel coming in here. Yep. Alright, let's see what's cooking. Okay, as I scrimmage through here, through all these race cars, what I was telling you guys is Rob's car had about 20 miles on it. Rob Ferretti. This is Rob Ferretti from Super Speeders Rob. And Sorted or Not, you know, Rob Ferretti. He had this Supra getting built to come to the show and race my dad. The Amazon people and the producers wanted my dad and Rob to race because they have previous relations in Sorted. So, just for good TV, I hope the wind's not fucking this up. For good TV, they wanted these two to race, so Rob was going to build this car to essentially race my dad. And he's got 20 miles on the car, 30 miles on the car, 6 dyno poles, and brought it straight here to race my dad. And he just got unlucky. His the people who built this car took it out for a drive, motor seized before we even got to film today. Tomorrow, we're supposed to film tomorrow, motor seized today. So sadly enough, Rob Ferretti's car will not be making it. This is Mo's car, the shop who built his car. But yeah. But what I heard is Rob actually found a car to replace it. And I heard it's an R34 GTR. So he might get lucky, and I heard that his team is going to pick up the car right now. It's somehow local in Vegas, so he is apparently going to get that car, and the race will still be on, just not with his Supra. It will be an R34 that he's borrowing from I don't know who, but we'll see if the R34 shows up. If the R34 shows up, then my dad will still be racing Rob Ferretti. If he doesn't, no idea what's going to happen. But from what I know, he found a car that he's going to borrow, and that's what we're going for now. So can't show the outcome of the races because you'll have to wait for the TV show to come out. But that's going to be that. And then you guys will see what's happening. So I'll keep you guys updated, but should be fun.
No, it was just like they just were doing a poll, and like mid-poll it just cut off. And they brought it back, tried to crank it over. And then they drained the oil, and it was like metal in it. Engine's got 20 miles on it.
Great.
So
that is not what you want to hear.
yeah.
What happened?
The engine on Super locked up. And I'm like, awesome. It's alright, I'm just racing an RS3, so I just need anything. Maybe a stock MK5, but that's pretty boring.
You want to drive an M3?
M3's not JDM.
Oh, okay. I'll put a Subaru on my
Yeah, give me a Super.
Alright,
Sorry to hear that.
That's all, this is what it is.
Yeah.
It's racing.
Yep. I thought we were down and out a little bit ago, honestly.
I mean, I was happy. I'm like, oh, cool. Like, the last thing I was concerned about was the engine, and the first thing to go.
Did you make a post?
I just put it on Instagram.
So,
Okay. This place is so big and so cool. This is literally, all of these are garages around here. And then there's a freaking go-kart track in the middle of all these garages. You can stand up here and look at all of this. And then you can hear someone's out there ripping. There's like 2 or 3 road courses. There's a NASCAR track that goes all the way around this. And then there's also a drag strip on the other side. So This place is huge. Las Vegas Motor Speedway. So it looks like Rob actually picked up the R34. So you know what that means? Tomorrow's race day. How did you manage to get someone to borrow you an R34?
Car people, man.
Just a reminder, our test and tuning on the car on the street got cut short when the drive shaft broke, so we still got to do that before we can actually get the car out there and like racing, because it's not super dialed in yet, especially for this altitude and everything.
I done double this shit up, I'm trying to get the triple digit. I don't got no time for that bullshit, I be somewhere handling business. I live fast, so I bought switches. You know that sound, we came too far to turn back around. Keep something pretty in my background if they.
This guy all suited up.
Racing with dudes.
You can do that?
That's all I got.
He's gonna hit the circuit first, and then drag strip tonight, I believe. So I don't really know how much of this I can really record. So we'll see, but I'm excited for the drags.
See, you're at a significant disadvantage and you don't even know it because you're expected to win.
Yeah,
The way we're looking right here,
Yeah.
it's like super underdog.
Yeah.
So you can only root.
I was underdog in your show, and now
Yeah.
you're an underdog. Whatever.
I just needed a dog. I got a dog.
There you go. That works.
I wonder what's wrong. I wonder what's wrong. I wonder. I wonder. I wonder what's wrong. I don't know what's right.
What are we setting them to?
Well, they are at 57 right now.
A little high.
Yeah.
Let's bump it down a little bit.
Okay, so from what I know, they switched him to race the Evo because it's more around his power range. So I don't think he's racing Rob anymore. And I'm pretty sure he was going to drag the Evo too. But the Evo broke. So now we got to figure out what's next. Evo said belt tensioner and a belt. So it should be done in 30 minutes. So hopefully he can still race.
So you're not in the clear yet. We're still waiting to see if your competitor can get his Evo together and make it to the track.
Felt better. Not better than the first time.
Sure. Drags.
Dude, 102. How did it feel?
Felt good.
Look how wild this looks. I'm never gonna get over this. It's just a bunch of sick ass cars. I just got back from driving the camera car. I'll put a couple clips I took on my phone in here. So sick, and it's got a Valvetronic exhaust. Sounds amazing. Anyways, Golden Peaks, great fucking people, shout out to them. But we're back and we're about to head to drags, and my dad is racing that Evo. And by the way, I actually got lied to. That Evo is not an FP Red car with a built 2.0. It's got a 2.2 long rod motor with a GT 3082R or something crazy. So he said it makes a little over 800 wheel, so it might be a good race. We will find out. But we're gonna head to the drags right now. So we are here on the drag strip, finally. Colette right there. See what RS3 does, got Race That Evil right there. So, introduce yourself.
Hey, Sinwin. Instagram, maybe I'm just Asian. I'm driving this fully built Evo over here that's not even mine, and I met the owner literally 24 hours ago. Literally 24 hours ago. Less than 24 hours ago. And he's letting me beat on it on track and at the drag strip.
You guys fixed it, right?
Yeah, we did fix it. It did break on track, but it wasn't my fault. The tensioner, the belt tensioner, literally just broke. And that's nothing you really can do about. I mean, it's 20 years old, so it's not like there's much you can do.
So
but we fixed it.
Our last minute competition. We were supposed to race Rob, and now we're up against this, what, 800?
800-ish.
Yep. Wheel. Woo! Thing's sick, though, dude. Should be fun. So they're just lining up all the cars that are racing each other right now. So it's those two. The R34 and the 720. And then these two, Evo and RS3, and at GTR, Coco GTR, and this bike. You thought you were gonna drag race on these?
I did. I was very faithful, hopeful. I was positive.
Right? Jeez.
Not today.
I don't know if you guys know that guy, Coco. Super cool dude. He thought he was gonna f***ing drag race on that. Did you guys see that?
I'm Adam.
I'm Colette.
I'm James.
And this is Banging.
About to go. Anyways, guys, this was a fun trip. A lot of stuff, a lot of people I met, a lot of cool things going on. I had a lot of fun, so as I would always say, peace out, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Wait, hold on.